Today we're back with a gourmet lasagna recipe, so please stay tuned.
A scrub is a guy that thinks he's fine, is also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So, no, I don't want your number, no. I don't want to give you mine, and no, I don't want to meet you nowhere, no.
So here we're going to fry the meat until brown, and then we're going to drain the juices before seasoning. Chopped tomatoes and give it a stir. Now this step is optional, so add as much or as little as you like. What we need is a smooth consistency until the sauce thickens. Once the flour and butter thicken, add your milk. Whisk away. Here we're just creating a base for the lasagna, just so that it stays moist at the bottom. Cover it with your lasagna sheets, and then we're going to put some more meat sauce on and start our layering. Repeat this process again for a second layer. Once you get to the top layer, you want to put your meat sauce on top, as well as your cheddar cheese, and sprinkle some parsley. Now you want to cover your lasagna with foil and put it in the oven for 50 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Once you reach 45 minutes, take the foil off to give it a nice browning for the last 5 minutes. It looks delicious, and trust me guys, it tasted just as delicious as it looks. Thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also feel free to follow me on Instagram at Tasha'S Cuisine. I appreciate every single like, comment, subscribe and every share, and I just pray the Lord blesses each and every one of you for your kindness. Tune in next week Sunday, where we will be cooking some brownies.